Thought this would be way easier just to do a quick video than to wonder what question you're on and all of that. So, starting with question one, station five, friend, here's what we're going to do. Um, One thing you might consider is just going periodic table, and then I like to go to the images, and we can just pick a random one to get that periodic table, and then kind of look for those letters that are in here. So I won't bounce it back and forth too much here, but we can see the first one, C, would be carbon. The second one, so we're at two now, would be hydrogen. And we go through here. We have a CO, that's cobalt. We have La, that is, I think it's lanthanum. And then terrarium is Te. So we would get C as our answer because there's five there. One hint is just count the big letters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For this one, we are just gonna we look at this measurement and we try to figure out, okay, where's this at? And it looks like it's at 10, but one tick below that, so that would be 9. So our answer is E. Which of the following is an example of a chemical change? So remember, chemical changes occur when you have a brand new substance. So let's start at the bottom. Cutting a cupcake. So we still have a cupcake. We could put it back together and then it would be a whole cupcake. So it really hasn't changed. It's still a cupcake. If you dip your strawberries in melted chocolate, the strawberries are still strawberries, right? They're just kind of coated with something. It's like when you put on your coat or a shirt, your skin doesn't change. It's still skin, right? Same thing with coloring a Valentine's Day card. If you have a piece of paper and you color it, it's still a piece of paper. Now, if you burn that paper and it turns to smoke, heat, and ash, then it would be a brand new thing. So the closest one we have to that would be baking the heart-shaped cookies. So think about this. You've got flour, sugar, eggs, milk, and you put it all together, then all of a sudden you've got this awesome heart-shaped cookie. Can you take the egg out of the cookie, though? No, it's been chemically altered. So J is our chemical change. And then which piece of jewelry contains the element with the highest atomic mass? So one way we could find that was finding, let's say, a more advanced periodic table, and we could check out those four elements and figure out which one has the highest atomic mass. And so the answer that would be R, right? So gold, when you look on there, you'll find gold has the highest atomic mass. Now you take your answers and you plug them into here. So our first answer was station 5, question 1. I'm cheating. Look at my cheat sheet here. Oh, it was C. So our first letter here would be 3. Oops. Oh, it's not going to let me do it because this is the, yeah. Actually, I better undo that. Control Z. So our number that we should enter here should be 3155, and that should take us to the next station. Oh, actually, no. Station 5 is the last one. Dude, you're done after you do that. Just make sure you go all the way through, and when you get to this number 7 section, make sure you push submit so that it gets copied into the file here. All right, I hope that helps.